So here's a little construction update of Tormenta. All of the track has been finished. And there's currently people working on the Sidewinder, and there are people up at the top of the turnaround right before the drop. If I can get more footage throughout the inside of the park, I will. So currently they are working on the station up there, which is looking really nice. But I'm not used to this. El Sombrero's right there, which is where the swinging ship used to be, I think. And I don't know, it's just crazy. This is awesome.